So a few things to hit on over the next minute or so here. The first thing is going to be those winds. It's been breezy today, but they're going to pick up this evening. All right, we do have a lake wind advisory for Flathead Lake. 6 p.m. is when it starts tonight, goes through 6 a.m. Wednesday morning. This is when the strongest winds look to develop, especially over Flathead Lake. 30, 40 mile per hour gusts could lead to wave heights of around 1 to 4 feet. Possible dock damage with this, especially kind of on the western shore of the lake, as looks the bullseye there. So just keep this in mind if maybe you are going to be on the lake this evening, as the choppy lake conditions will continue and even pick up with those winds picking up. Also the rain, like I mentioned, so let's time this out. Generally dry, breezy today, dry through Wednesday, then here comes our rain, right? It's going to start Wednesday evening for west central and then into southwest Montana. It's going to slowly work its way into northwest Montana then here by early Thursday morning. Latest model runs have generally the heaviest rain falling overnight Wednesday and then into early Thursday morning. Then for the rest of the day on Thursday, we're just looking at scattered showers for us here in western Montana, but it will kind of stick around through Thursday evening. But again, the heaviest rain right now does look to be Wednesday night. Then it all clears out. Sunshine returns Friday, and we're going to see a nice weekend with highs in the 60s and 70s.